It is connected. It is insight-driven. It is adaptive. Intelligent manufacturing. Manufacturing is entering a new age. An age where intelligence matters as much as machinery, where precision is no longer only mechanical, and it is quietly redefining how products are imagined, engineered, and brought to life. Manufacturing AI. AI that understands engineering designs and processes, helping teams make faster, better decisions by automating workflows.
The world is changing faster than organizations can adopt. What you need today is technology to be agile. Companies have to create newer systems or modify existing systems so they can incorporate organizations' DNA into the systems. Thanks to generative AI and LLMs today, it has been possible.
Quality is not created on the factory floor. It is created long before production begins, inside thousands of decisions that shape performance, safety, and reliability. Every dimension, every tolerance, every rule followed or missed carries forward into manufacturing. Designs evolve across multiple teams, tools, and locations. Standards expand. Validation grows heavier. CCTech proudly partner with Jesha of Atlas Copco, India, a global leader in industrial engineering with a presence in over 180 countries and revenues exceeding 15 billion euros. Scale defines their operations. And at this scale, engineering governance is mission critical. At Jesha of Atlas Copco, India, engineering quality is not just a metric, it is a strategic commitment. Atlas Copco chose to lead transformation through AI-driven engineering intelligence.
While global teams are getting skilled, we also need to scale our game in terms of engineering. We need to ensure that our quality, because products are becoming complex, so quality needs to be embedded at the engineering level so that it can help improve the products to go to the market in a faster time. We can improve our time to market. When we talk about rule-based automation, a lot of time designer need to explain the context in detail to the developer or a programmer. And then we thought, okay, is there any better way that designers can use the power of AI and can build the rules on their own? It's not an option anymore to use AI. It has to be part of the game.
One of the biggest barriers to engineering scalability lies within documentation. To truly scale quality, standards must evolve, from written instructions into executable intelligence, from reference material into real-time validation embedded within design environments. To bring this vision to life, Jesha of Atlas Copco, India, partnered with CCTech. Together, they developed Samiksha, an AI-powered design validation solution built using CCTech's manufacturing AI and implemented on the Autodesk platform. Samiksha embeds engineering intelligence directly within CAD environments.
Samiksha is actually Sanskrit word. So since this project originated from India, conceptualized by us in India, we thought that having a Sanskrit word will be more apt for such kind of a project. It also means evaluation in English, so which is also the purpose of the platform. So because it is being used to critically evaluate the designs that we are producing. So when we saw that there is a good match, we went ahead with Samiksha as a project name.
Samiksha has a lot of advantage, and I'll start from the first point where we are working on the drawings on the engineering side. So how fast can we do the design engineering? And once a person has built the design, he or she can check if the design is following the design guidelines, so that error in the production can be reduced.
Engineering rules are brought in from standards, specifications, and enterprise documents. The system uses its domain intelligence to interpret these inputs and structure them into traceable validation rules. Engineers refine these rules through an interactive interface, no coding required. Once finalized, these rules are applied directly within the CAD environment as automated checks. This allows engineers to validate their designs automatically as they work. A solution designed not just to check designs, but to elevate how engineering knowledge is applied. The impact is immediate and measurable. Rework is significantly reduced. First-pass quality improves. Product development cycles accelerate. Engineering teams operate with greater clarity and confidence. Quality moves upstream, where it delivers the greatest value.
CCTech has actually adopted those new developments and had approached to us to really change this system to an agentic AI, and that was real game changer for us, because the moment we go into an agentic AI, our previous constraints went away, and that was a very good part of them. And then I think we are more of a partner rather than customer and supplier.
Every sector navigating complexity, speed, and quality can benefit from intelligent validation built into design itself. Solutions like Samiksha, built by CCTech on the Autodesk platform, are helping organizations engineer with intelligence, scale with confidence, and deliver quality by design.
We at CCTech are in the mission to transform human life by democratization of technology. We have developed AI solutions for our customers, which have helped them move faster in their journey of digital transformation.